It's me, and it's time for Single Ladies Saturday. Single Ladies Saturday. And show you the single ladies I'm going to be using this evening. Single lady from ColourPop. This was sent to me in a giveaway. It was kind of a friend mail added to a giveaway from Teresa from Tea Time Adventures. Seriously, if you get a chance, go check her out. She does like unboxings, life stuff. It's just really enjoyable to watch her, and it's a really pretty lady and a sweet personality. Like, I won, her giveaway was, I don't know, 4, maybe 5 sheet masks. She sent me like a box of really generous and very sweet lady. Okay, this, I'm not sure if it's a single or not, but we're gonna call it one because, you know, it's single. There's not, it doesn't have any company in there. I do enjoy using this as like an eyeshadow topper a little bit. It kind of goes, I think that the orange and the gold are going to go very cute together. Okay. Ooh, so that was Too Faced. I know it's really a highlighter, but not today. And then I have a, you know, one of those kind of palettes. I'm going to be using this one for a transition shade, and possibly I'm kind of thinking maybe this matte right here, like in the upper corner, you know, the upper crease, blah 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 blah, outer crease area, you know, just to get a little bit of depth. I'm not sure. I don't even know who that is. I don't even know who that is. So there's that. Anyway, so this video, anyone can join. Anyone. You don't even have to be like a beauty MUA. It's just a bunch of us ladies getting together to use. You know, do you belong to Ice Cream Beauty? Did you get your hands on a few of these? Thank you again, Teresa. Like, look at those. But how often do you reach for the singles? This collab is just about giving you a reason to use. Is that not the sweetest thing? Those single solids, loose pigments, liquids, pencils, whatever. If it's not in a palette and it's by itself, it's pretty much a single, right? Gives you an excuse to use those. So it's just kind of fun to get them out and remember what I even have in there. Ooh, my nails turned out so cute this time. Squirrel. But you know, it's cute. So you can hashtag Single Ladies Saturday. You can send me a DM on Instagram. I am SueCalls11, I believe, on Instagram. I'm not even sure. Or anyone who participates, there will be a playlist below. We would love for you to join the chat room and, you know, make another friend. We don't care if you have 2 subscribers, if you have 500, if you have 10,000, we don't care. We love you, and we would love for you to join us. So please, don't feel intimidated. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. Okay, let's not start that. Anyway, if you want to see what I am going to try to accomplish, I'll be right back.
Pink champagne, I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say, it's all about timing. I'm doing okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. Just caught in the feeling. So much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop like ooh. I'm feeling myself tonight. Yeah. I'm doing okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. There's so much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop like ooh. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, confetti like, confetti like. I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself tonight. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, throw the confetti like, the confetti like, confetti like, pink champagne, I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say, it's all about timing. I'm doing okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. Just caught in the feeling. So much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop like ooh. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. There's so much glitter, you can't forget her. A superstar like ooh. We just get better, our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop like ooh. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, confetti like, confetti like. I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself tonight. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, throw the confetti like, the confetti like, confetti like, confetti like.
So guys, what do you think? Got my little coffee cup earrings in. I tried to use this scarf to kind of cover up the pink. Sometimes it just be like that. So let's do swatches. Swatches. Our color pop. I've never had one of these before, so this is kind of cool. It's what's it called? Super Shot? Something? I don't know. Okay, and then we have the Too Faced Gold that is actually a highlighter, but How is that not like I'm sorry, that's today it's an eyeshadow. I mean, seriously, look at that. Okay, and then in here, I think we used, what, 3 things in here? We used, all right, well, I'm not going to do the transition shade, but we used this orange right here, and then I kind of did a little highlighting with this. Oh, and the black, Okay, so we've got this orange matte. I have no idea who that is. This highlighty thing going on. I have no idea who that is. It's just some square thing that I kept. And then it's kind of a brown black, a chocolatey black from Jeffree Star. Button up my sleeve. Okay, and most of my singles are ancient, which is one of the reasons why I'm so excited about this collab, because, okay, we've got one way over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see them all. Because I wasn't using them, and now I used 5. So please, come and join us. I need some kind of I don't have anything orange. I have nothing orange. Nothing. It's all pink. But I need something like on my head. Looks better already. Just too bad it's not, I need one of these in orange. Anyways, guys, so please feel free to join us. Do you have any of these singles? And let me see, we've got Too Faced, we've got Jeffree Star, we've got ColourPop, and then the other 2, I have no idea who they are. No idea whatsoever. But do you have any of those brands? Do you like them? How do you feel about them? Let me know. Comment below. Do you have singles that are just too pretty to throw away, but you don't use them? Please come and join us. Let me know. Comment below. And until the next time, I hope you wake up dancing. Wake up dancing. Boom, boom, boom. Wake up dancing every single day. God bless you, and bye-bye. I'm all for you. I'll show you.